Let's talk about host header attack on password reset page. So you have to find a password reset page, and if page will accept username or email address, and if they will send you a link on your mail. Let's take example this. So see this, a host header attack on password reset page. Okay, host header attack on password reset page. See this. So the password reset having something like this, that they are accepting username and they are sending you a mail like this. See that they accepted username is offensive hunter @gmail.com, offensive hunter. Okay, and they sent me what, mail. Let's examples any.com having this. Okay, so any.com having something like this, and they sent me a mail. I feed this on the password reset page and they sent me a mail like this, sent me a mail having this, that reset your password by clicking on that link, maybe. Okay, I'm just assuming this. Okay, that link. Okay, so there may be some in that link, there may be something like this, any.com having slash password reset underscore, so maybe password reset question mark code equal to whatever this will be the code. So if anyone will get my code, they can reset my password. So now see, now this was a whole scenario. Now let's take examples. There is a host header attack. Okay, and I basically, this is a password reset page. Okay, password reset page. Now I fed my target email address. So my target email was this, let's say offensive hunter @gmail.com. Okay, and I intercepted this request, intercepted that request on Bubsuit. Then I gave I changed host to hackersera.com. Okay, then what will happen if they will have a host header attack on this page? If they will have, because 1% website having this vulnerability. Okay, so keep it in mind. So if they will have a host header attack on password reset page, they will, the user will, means offensive hunter will receive a mail having some things, having same thing but different URL like this, any.com having, there won't be any.com, there will be hackersera.com in background. In the button field, hackersera.com slash password reset question mark code, and code will be whatever. So if the user will click on this, the password won't reset because they are sending hackersera.com, and I will have a sniffer, so I'll get this code. So this is called password reset poisoning. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion session over there.